Joo, asuntoskeittiö Kalamiehen piha.
Today is the 24th of June 2021. Here's Kalastajanmäki, Fiskarbacken's 7th staircase B here in Matinkylä, Matu B, Espoo, Helsinki, Helsingfors region, Uusimaa, Finland, Finland. And this one has 7 floors. It was built in 1987 by Valmet Otis, turning 35 years old in next year, 2022. And the base here. As your numbers B1, the 0046, and the capacity is 4 persons of 305 nurse. And now let's ride it. One ride because we don't have time.
Yeah.
This one doesn't have the ground floor lit up, but staircase A has it.
Yeah.
It's a very rare feature.
Yeah.
I don't know if this one had it originally, but
Inspektiivt kiva inspektant meeting, but also not described this.
that's it. Thanks for watching. Please watch the staircase A here, it is even more amazing because of that rare feature. I don't think that this staircase B had it, it was only the staircase A that had it. Because
Yeah.
if this had it, then this would have had it still today.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's